Hi, it's day 26 of Inktober Tangles 2023 and today we have a floral tangle. So I have a flower called Miliacrown by Susan Yeo. And I think I will place it around here because I have here these bigger tangles. So something with a little bit more line work might be, yeah, I might place it right here. The shape is very similar to this one and this one. So I'm basically adding same shapes again. And I will start with kind of a U shape with these curls in the end. Adding another one. Not being obsessed with doing it perfectly. Then I will connect these two and add an Ecoline. And after that, tangle an extension which looks like another botanical shape on top. I think the original one consists only of 3 of these, so it's basically, let me grab a little piece of paper and show you. So this is the original shape on top. But I made it a little bit more complex for some reason. And then I'm just filling this in, inking in with black ink. And maybe I will add some more juice to this line and a little dot. I'm adding the roundings too. Right here it might add some. And then the only thing left to do is to embellish this with some lines. So I'm trying to place them in a way that they make sense. I'm not sure I'm succeeding at it. Okay, but I will add some shades, so it's not like it will be super visible. And then you can add the stem to it. And I'm thinking about adding it, or maybe not. I'm not sure. Maybe I can add another one. Just because they like company, the tangles. They like the company of other tangles, or every tangle looks nicer when it's not alone, when there are at least 2 of them. So I'm going to add one next to it, and it's going to be quick because it's a simple tangle. This is like instead of the stem. Okay, this was far less than perfect, but it's fine as it is. And now for shading, of course, you want to add shade right here where this, it looks like a pot and a plant, I think. When I started, I don't have the Ecoline here, but I will have it. Look at this magical move. It's kind of, it feels like cheating. You'll forgive me, right? Maybe this one is a little bit further, too much towards this onomato ribbon. And now I will just add shades to kind of enhance these shapes that I will also tangle with or highlight with white. And I want some shade next to this because it's kind of over the other one. And maybe also some smiley shaped shade to try to make it look more 3D. And let's see where it will take me, or what I'll achieve with it. I see that I need some more shade here around this rose peak. Then I will continue with the blending. And I noticed that I haven't added the shade below this wide ribbon. It's a nice thing about these challenges that you draw the tangles that you would either not find or maybe not pick, because when you pick your own tangles you typically reach for those types of tangles that are your favorites, which is good, but sometimes it's also good to step outside of your comfort zone and use those that you would not choose yourself. So that's what I'm doing right now, adding a tangle that I would probably not choose, at least not at this point of drawing on this Zendala. But here it is, and well, yeah, it's fine. Just adding some more darkness to this. You can sometimes mute it with a graphite pencil. Thank you for drawing another tangle, Miliacrown, with me. And I will see you tomorrow, day 27, I guess. Bye.